This project is our model number 168, and this is for high voltage DC up to 3 kilovolts from AC. We have the AC supply through diode and capacitor in ladder network. We have some diodes here and we have capacitors here. They are in ladder network. In fact, in place of one capacitor of higher voltage, we have used two capacitors in series, and forming as one capacitor. As we know, two capacitors made in series, the capacitance will fall by half, but the voltage rating, if each one is 400 volts, now it can withstand 800 volts. The combination of these two capacitors can withstand 800 volts, and that's how we use them in the ladder network as far as the high voltage is concerned. And instead of applying 230 volt here, what we have done, we have applied through a series lamp so that the starting current is controlled. Otherwise, the starting current will be very high because the large number of capacitors. That's the reason why we have a lamp here also. Now when we switch on, we'll find the lamp will glow with full intensity, and you can see the voltage. We have tried to measure the voltage. Since we can't measure 2 to 3 kV, what we have measured, we have made some potential divider arrangement here, about to 10 to 11 potential dividers, and we are measuring at the across the one resistor. That means whatever voltage we get here, we can safely multiply it to 20, so that we will be able to get the actual voltage between this point to this point. But the voltage will be very high, and we don't have that kind of meter to measure that voltage. Now we'll see when we switch it on. We find now the voltage is gradually increasing here. You can find the lamp is intensity is falling because the capacitors are getting duly charged, and it is slowly rising up to, now it is going up to about say 93, 94, what you can see, and it is going up to now 100, 101, 102, and so on. It goes on. Now we can safely multiply it to 2, and 20 is because of the this thing, the ladder, the potential divider which we have made. So the voltage across this will be roughly about 2 kilovolts now. It's a dangerous voltage, and we would not like to measure this voltage 2 kilovolt with any meter. That is why we have made a potential divider arrangement here and taken a connection from one of the limb of the potential divider, and you can see the voltage is stable at now 108.1. You multiply it to 20, so it's about more than 2 kV. That is the voltage that is available out of this from simple 230 volt AC supply. Thank you.